How to add crossplay friends on Need for Speed Heat. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to add crossplay friends on Need for Speed Heat, whether you are on PC, PlayStation or Xbox. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable crossplay. First, launch Need for Speed Heat. When the game starts, you'll get a pop-up asking if you want to enable crossplay. If not, you can go to settings later and turn it on manually. Make sure crossplay is turned on so you can play with friends on other platforms. Step 2. Open EA Friends. From the main menu, open the party menu. Then select EA Friends. This is where you manage your friend list and requests. Step 3. Search for your friend. Inside EA Friends, go to search for EA ID. Type your friend's EA ID, not their PlayStation or Xbox or Steam name. It must be the EA ID. Step 4. Send and accept friend request. Once you find the correct ID, send a friend request. Your friend must also have crossplay enabled and be logged into the EA account. Once they accept, they will show up in your EA friends list. Step 5. Invite or join. Now that you're connected, go back to EA Friends. Select your friend's name and choose Invite to Game or Join Game to start playing together. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to add crossplay friends on Need for Speed Heat. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.